Thank you, Plugable, for sending this item to check out. We'll be taking a look at the Plugable's USB-C docking station with tablet or phone stand. Unboxing the Plugable. And we have the USB 3.2 first generation 5 gigabit cable. And this is a 1 meter cable, which is 50 centimeters or 20 inches. We have the docking station. We're just checking for any hidden items. We have here the quick start guide. It's definitely firm, takes a bit of effort to move, which is a good thing. So it'll be able to hold something very well in place without being too loose. And here on the left side, we have the USB 5 gigabit. And you can tell by the blue color, they are the USB 3 type. Then we have the input output for headphones and mic. We have the HDMI out, which can support up to 4K at 30 Hz. And then we have the power delivery in, which can support up to 100 watts in, but it can only output 90 watts of power. Then we have a slot for the SD card and the micro SD card. And this is what you'll connect with the host with this cable. And right now we're testing this if it needs power to run. No, it does not. As you can see, the power will be plugged in here. The power is only to charge things. So we have the flash drive, SD card here, connected to the phone here. And this is, it's reading our storage devices here. We're going to be testing out how well it holds my iPad with this hard cover, which is about 1.6 pounds, but I'm just, for extreme purposes, just kind of like, let's say you're playing a really game. Alright, so we got the 1.6 pound iPad in this kind of position for the Plugable. If it could charge my phone at fast charge 2.0, and I confirmed that this cable can do fast charging, but what happens when it runs through the Plugable? Alright, we are going to plug in the phone through the Plugable. We seem to be only getting fast charging when it goes through the Plugable. So I don't think it is fast charging 2 compatible. I'm going to have to run some more tests. And this has been the unboxing for the Plugable USB-C docking station 7-in-1 tablet or phone stand.